how to disable automatic video playback on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to disable the automatic video playback, head over to your Twitter, that is the X app, and then go to your profile in the top left and then scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down, go to accessibility, display and languages, and then again go to accessibility. Now here once you scroll down under motion, you'll find video autoplay. Tap on it, and if it is set to on cellular or Wi-Fi or on Wi-Fi, then just tap on never. Now, this will disable the automatic video playback on Twitter. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.